Adding reagents is very simple. Even with our septum material, you can just pierce simply the inside layer and add your reagents with a standard syringe and cannula like the one I'm holding here. Just to give you an idea of how the inert gas manifold works, I'm going to take one apart for you now. You can see that when I open the inert gas manifold up, basically inside is a combination septum, which is the thin layer, which allows me to pierce this very easily. Okay, natural rubber would be pretty difficult to pierce on its own if it was quite thick, but we purposely made this layer thin and we sandwiched it up against this thicker layer, and this thicker layer is designed to seal up against this plate and seal up against the holes to provide a discrete seal for each one of the reaction vessels inside. And you can also see from the design of the MiniBlock XT, with its unique inlet and its unique outlet, we channel the gas to each reaction vessel individually, and this really allows us to do a very, very nice job of maintaining the inert atmosphere, but also maintaining the discrete delivery of gas to each reaction vessel, which in turn minimizes cross-contamination.
Right. Each one is isolated, isn't it?
They're all isolated.
Yeah, that's really
so
nice.
You can see, to put this together, you set this on here like so. The bottom then seals again against the reaction vessel, like so, for example. Okay, so this is the part that makes contact with the product.
Now you said something about the glassware earlier. Are these standard glassware, or is this glassware made specifically for the MiniBlock products?
This glassware is made specifically for the MiniBlock. It's not standard glassware. The glassware is actually hand cut.
Okay.
And the reason is for the tolerance. Okay. Standard labware has really a pretty rough tolerance in terms of its length. Lengths can vary quite a bit by several millimeters, whereas the MiniBlock labware is hand cut and the tolerance is less than a tenth of a millimeter per tube. And that's done so that all heights are the same, and then if the manifold is the manifold sitting on top of the tube will then have the best ability to seal against the reaction vessels in the tube. So to put the manifold together, you simply screw this in place like so, and it's ready to go. And you did notice that because of the design of our intercept, it's very easy to pierce for adding reagents, and you can pierce that inner layer multiple times. However, the outside layer is designed for single use.